How to fix Amazon order not arriving. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, open up Amazon application or website and just like that, sign in to your account. Once signed in, you want to go ahead and simply tap on this profile like icon. And inside you check the latest delivery status and estimated arrival date. Next, confirm that your shipping address is correct, and if there is any issue, contact Amazon support as soon as possible. Then check the tracking details. Sometimes packages are delayed due to bad weathers, high shipping demands, or carrier issue. Also look around your delivery location. Your package may have been left at your front door, mailbox with a neighbor, or in a secure delivery spot. If the package is still marked as delivered but you cannot find it, wait for about 48 hours as some carrier update delivery information before the package actually arrives. And finally, if your order is still missing, you can contact Amazon support to request a replacement or refund depending on your order. That's it guys, thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.